Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. This is Siddhi and you're watching me on For Women in India. Today's video is about the Dalit History Month, which is in April 2021. Designed on the lines of Black History Month, it is a month-long annual celebration that honors and commemorates the neglected histories, lives and works of Dalits and Bahujans. The celebration motivates them and educates everyone to keep on their fight for equality in all the spheres of society and achieve equal opportunity. In 2015, V. Karunakaran, Christina Thomas Dhanraj, Asha Kautal, Sangapali Aruna, Manisha Devi, and Thanmozi Soundarajan, a 6-member team at Massachusetts Institute of Technology, brought to life the initiative of Dalit History Month. Casteism has been institutionalized. As a result, Savarnas maintained their authority over educational materials. For a long time, they were the only people who wrote textbooks, published books, etc. Thus, the contribution of Dalit community have always been ignored, taken away, and not fully represented. Dalit and Bahujan scholars have been ostracized since forever from educational institutions. The Dalit History Month is celebrated to not only commemorate the Dalit history, but also to recognize the contribution of Dalits in shaping of the country into what it is today. The struggle of the Dalit community for its rights is an important part of our history and something which should be celebrated. Celebrating this is important because the history of the people who have been marginalized throughout the history, whose existence have always remained on the periphery, their agency should be reclaimed. Their history has been manipulated and appropriated. It is high time that now that Dalit communities take up the mic and narrate their own stories and deconstruct the narratives set by the upper caste. As per Dr. Karthik Navayan, a human rights activist, the History Month also focuses on school children and women to make them aware of their community's history. Most importantly, this has provided a larger space to Dalit women that have led to the construction of an alternative discourse in intersection, caste and gender through Dalit women's lens. The Dalit communities are an integral part of our country's history, and it is important to know about them. It is important to add their history in the textbooks of schools, and thus celebrating the month of April as Dalit History Month is important because it provides a powerful platform for making people understand who we are as a country, what constitutes our history, and why reading about them is important. How did you like today's video? Let us know in the comment section. If you want to see more of such videos, please keep contributing on our Patreon page. The link is given in the description box.
Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update.